All right, let's get straight to it. 2013 Dodge Challenger. This is a 3.6 liter engine. So right now I am underneath the vehicle. You can see the driver's side wheel right here and right over here. So that's your number one O2 sensor on the left side right there. And right next to it is going to be your starter. So you can see right there, it's not that hard to get to. You have space to get it out. You won't have to remove any exhaust or anything special to get this out. Now, so there's two bolts on the back side to get that out right there. And once you remove those bolts, you free that starter up. You can reach your hand in from here and you should be able to pull that out and down. There's a little shield right here. You should be able to pull that starter out and down. So there goes your hot wire for it. So once you remove these bolts, then you pull this down a little bit, you'll be able to see your hot wire and your plug, and then you can deal with those then. So just worry about getting the bolts out first, pulling the starter down, and then you can deal with the plugs. And definitely don't forget to unplug or disconnect your battery before starting this job.